There are 6 categories of airdrop hunters. Definitely, you belong to one or more of these categories. And the interesting thing is that the category you belong to determines whether you are farming airdrop or if airdrop is the one farming you. And as you can see, I came today with my jotter, so I am going to be lecturing you on what I have discovered so far. The first category are the procrastinators, that is the I'll join later. And this is how it happens. On a normal day, you're scrolling through your FYP, maybe watching videos or going through some tweets, and then you come across this project. It sounds beautiful, you read everything about it, and it's okay. What is left is for you to sign up on this airdrop, set up the necessary things, and then start participating. But you tell yourself, I'm going to join later, let me just watch some more videos, or let me just read some more tweets. You are a procrastinator. Sometimes it's not even your fault. Sometimes now your village people they follow you, and this is how it happens. You've already gone through all the details. So you pick the link, you try to register. Maybe one thing or the other, network does not make it to go, or it's just not loading and the likes. And then you just be like, oh, I'm gonna check this later. And that is how you forget about the airdrop. You belong to this first category and you are missing out on big time airdrops. The second category of airdrop hunters are the multitasking grinders. And you see these people, if you come across any of them, first of all, give them pure water or buy them drink, make the first drink, because these people are going through a lot. Their phone can lag for Africa. Why? These people they participate in every airdrops. Like if you talk this one today, they are here. You talk testnet, they are here. You talk Telegram, you talk Deepin, they are on it. If you check their phones, 50 airdrop, 100 airdrops, 150 airdrops, and they keep topping up the list and keep topping up. The problem with this is that when you participate in a lot of airdrops, you'll not be able to focus on specific ones. And as such, you just keep glancing or keep dabbling through. And there are some tasks that these airdrops might even bring, and you will not complete it. So as you not complete it, you are not eligible. So always try to focus on few airdrops that are worth the grind. Why the third category are the zero research copycats. These are the people that once you drop link, their work is to join. As you drop link, they join. They don't go through any details at all. And you see this set of people, they can be extremely annoying. I have a lot of them on my Telegram channel. When you drop airdrop, instead of them to make their own research, they will not research. They will click on the link, register. And if at all they want to research at all, they will not read the airdrop details. The only thing they will do is when they click on the link, they come to your DM and ask, boss, Alpha, what is this airdrop? This and this. These people, in fact, these people are so terrible that you might even drop details explaining something. They won't go through these details, but they will come to your DM expecting you to take time to now explain specially to them. Omo, I throw cap for now. But then that is basically it. So if you are in this category, change now before it's too late. That will now take us to the fourth category, which are the giveaway freaks. These people, as the name implies, they rely solely on giveaway. See an airdrop with good potential, they will not join until you announce giveaway that we're going to be running giveaway, we're going to be running this and this and this. This is when these people finally rush to now join the airdrop. And in fact, you can even elaborate it more to these people are the ones that they won't join an airdrop, or they'll wait until when the airdrop announce that they'll be getting listed. That is when you start seeing them asking for link here and there. Boss, Alpha, now give me a link. I want to join this and this and this. If you're in this category, try and change today. Fifth category, I personally call them the Sir Airdrop Wavesing. You see this set of people, they are going through a lot. In fact, they are the ones that get scammed or get hacked the most. These people are the ones that once they see any airdrop, they rush ASAP. They are the people that they will not create multiple wallets for their airdrop. You have funds on this wallet. You are using it to participate in the airdrop. And this airdrop they are participating in is not just one airdrop or two airdrops. So you participate in one airdrop, you see another one, you enter. And this airdrop that require you to connect your wallet. They are connecting wallets here and there. In fact, these people, they can participate in airdrop, make money from it, and after making the money, they still lose all the money. These people are the ones that will not even take their time to learn trading. Imagine something as simple as spot trading or P2P trading. You don't know how to trade. When you make money from this airdrop now, you go jam scammer. Scammer send me you send coin now, they don't block you. Profile icon don't disappear from WhatsApp. If you are experiencing this or you are in this category, try and change. While the last category are the opportunists. Now, I don't know if opportunist is a bad word, a positive word, or a negative word. I don't know. But for the sake of this video, I'm using it in a positive light. Now, this category are the set of people that they seize opportunities. Once they see airdrop, especially airdrop with good potential, they hop on it. They do all the necessary things like researching, and if the airdrop requires them to connect wallet, they create a new wallet. If the airdrop requires anything at all, they make sure to follow up, and these are the people that get substantial things from the airdrop. So that is the end of my list for today. Make sure that you are following me here. In my coming videos, I'm going to be teaching you things and things that you can do in the Web3 space aside from airdrop that you can make money from. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video.